umbrella, and my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything I want. You're so fast! Ooh, let's have a race!
Yeah, race!
First one to the schoolyard wins. Ready, set, go! Morphle's the winner!
That was awesome! Can I join the race?
Sure thing. Right, Orphle?
Yeah!
Next, let's race to the building site.
Let's go! You know, you're gonna be much faster with a rocket booster!
Wow!
Ah! Phew!
You won, Orphle.
Let's race to the hospital!
Okay, let's go! Morphle, morph legs so you can jump.
Orphle, morph robot legs!
Morphle wins again.
Let's race to the mountaintop!
Let's go! Morphle, morph wings so we can fly.
Duh, we can fly over it! Orphle, morph a helicopter rotor! We won, Orphle!
Yeah!
Look, it's Daddy. Let's do one last race to Daddy.
Yeah! Ready, set, go!
Morphle, morph into a sleigh with boosters.
Wow! Orphle, morphin! Just do what they do!
Whoa!
We raced to you, Daddy. Who won?
I'm pretty sure you finished at the same time.
Wow!
Now then, let's race home. In my car.